इन कंपैरिजन टू यूट्यूब कितने लोग डेली बेसिस पर स्पॉटिफाई और एप्पल म्यूजिक सुनते हैं?
See, today podcasts are being consumed on YouTube more than any other platform. We started with Spotify. आज भी जो मैं कर रहा हूँ वो छोटी है. I mean, all of these are very small things. Like close to 8 months, we were able to touch 40 countries.
In terms of YouTube, we can have like TRS figuring out and right now what the fuck is going on. So in terms of Apple Music और Spotify में who are the big players?
बहुत सारे podcasts हैं. Competition तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही है. तो what else can we try? That's exactly when we went for the regional market. That comes to be like 7 to 15 million people consuming, let's say, Nikhil Kamath ka WTF. Just like how they do it on YouTube, for people who don't have YouTube Premium, that's most of the people, they consume it on Spotify because the screen doesn't need to be turned on.
Yeah.
Number of times that you fail should be more than the number of times that someone tries.
I hope you will like the video and subscribe the channel.
You have been into Bangalore from couple of years. So what do you find कि ये place अच्छा है for startups to live or startups to migrate off?
Bro, मैं ये सोचता हूँ कि see, it's every place is just the same. I think people here are just like people in maybe Haryana or Bihar or just like every other place. But it's just that people here are okay to see others fail. People here are okay to see others work out. I mean, try out things which might eventually work out. So this mindset of things being open, this behavior of they being okay with things failing off, I think that's Bangalore. I wouldn't say it's not restricted to Bangalore. People of this mindset are considerably more in Bangalore compared to anyone else. That's it. Anywhere else. That's it.
Okay, if a founder is looking for opportunity, so he should definitely shift over the Bangalore, na?
No, bro, I wouldn't say that. So there's a SaaS company, software as a service. So what these guys do is, this man sits out of a village in Tamil Nadu and then he runs a, let's say, I believe 5,000 to 8,000 crore revenue company. So there are examples of a few people making cool, creative, insane stuff, which works out really well. But it's not the thing that हर एक जगह में there is no rule that you have to be here to build stuff, but it's just that lot of this culture of startups is present here in Bangalore, because of which the let's say chances of things being visible कि Bangalore से आ रहा है is there.
Okay. So before getting into BlueLearn, how many ventures did you initiate?
Bro, I don't know, bro. I mean, see, there is nothing like venture. See, now we talk in the lines of ventures and stuff. But before it was just an experiment, right? We just used to start something, trying to sell something. It works out. If it was not. So I remember, I definitely remember all of them. Some of them being, let's say I was selling a wristband. Me and my friend Manish, we were selling wristbands. Just maybe we used to put sanitizer. So you squeeze the sanitizer and it puts out sanitizer in your palm. So imagine a product like that. And we were selling it at a margin of 200% from China to the American market.
Okay, like a drop shipping wala.
Yeah, it was drop shipping, straight, exactly.
Kab?
This was 2020.
Okay.
2020. And same year it didn't work out. We started into roofing business. Roofing business में क्या करते थे कि we used to call people in Florida, be like, bro, so there's this culture, there's this behavior in Florida that they get their roofs changed. And then we used to be like, you know what, you have to get your roof changed, and how about we help you. We connect you with someone who can help you with that. And then, they used to be like, yes. And then we used to get a commission of like $1,500. So for a second year college student, it was like very big amount. Okay. And again, we were not able to go successful with that venture. And then we started an agency. Agencies are back then were just popping out. We were like, there's no big capital in this market and you just need to work so hard to make it bigger. So back then we neither had the direction, we neither had कि ये करना है. So we stopped it. उसके बाद again I was running this company called the Absolute Tech. Absolute Tech में what we were helping is we had a pair of glasses where from the temple regions it was collecting data कि how the person is feeling. Let's say in a therapy. So हर एक बंदा is not so comfortable with answering कि वो कैसे महसूस कर रहा है ना? तो this is exactly where the pain point is. In therapy, if you're the therapist and I'm the patient, you ask me, Chandan, how are you feeling? और मैं बोलता हूँ कि हाँ ठीक है ब्रो, सब ठीक ठाक ही चल रहा है. पर मेरे को वो बाहर रखना, I mean, I wouldn't be able to express it right. And this is exactly the pain point where Absolute Tech comes in. So just like, if you're sick, तो क्या है, थर्मोमीटर है, थर्मोमीटर से हम डॉक्टर को ये पता चल जाता है कि डिग्री ऑफ टेम्परेचर इतना है, क्वांटिफाई कर रहा है। जस्ट लाइक दैट कैन वी क्वांटिफाई मेंटल हेल्थ, लेट्स से depression was the thought we started with. And then I started it out of a science experiment, and then it went into TIFR, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, for Interdisciplinary Sciences Hyderabad, and then later got support from IISc as well.
ओके, वो पहला था कि जिसमें आप थोड़ा सा ज्यादा ऊपर तक गए थे उस स्टार्टअप में.
I raised funds from WeWork.
Perfect.
So we almost raised funds from WeWork, and then we raised funds actually, and then we were supported on all of that. Me and my co-founder Jasmeer Gill, he was from Delhi. So we, after college, every day after 4, we just used to go to the office working space that we got from WeWork. WeWork is the massive co-working space, and 2020 May is when they were at all-time high. Their stocks and everything was going great, and that's exactly when they supported us. They were like, bro, you know what? जो भी चाहिए आप कर लो, we'd be able to help you in that way, but not in a monetary way.
Okay.
So I was like, cool. For a college student, any help is good help. For anyone, early stage startup, any help is good help. So we started with that, and then we were building it. After एक वीक के बाद WeWork का एक न्यूज आया था, जिसका फाउंडर एडम न्यूमैन, देयर वाज अ ह्यूज सिनेरियो. द कंपनी ब्रोक डाउन फॉर लेट्स से 1/10 ऑफ इट्स वैल्यू. तो वो सब हुआ है.
They signed bankruptcy.
हाँ,
Yeah.
kind of.
तो आई थिंक ये सारे आपके छोटे छोटे वेंचर्स या फिर आप छोटी छोटी चीजें बोलोगे दैट हेल्प्ड यू अभी जो आप चीजें कर रहे हो.
I would say आज भी जो मैं कर रहा हूँ वो छोटी है.
Okay.
I mean, all of these are very small things. If you look at a big picture, bro, you never really know where you're going. You think I have a plan. You think someone who's doing $1 million in sales have a plan. They do have a plan. Let's say for the next 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, 2 years. But उसके बाद किसी को, I mean, nobody knows what's gonna happen.
What's gonna happen?
So the thing is, just go ahead, keep trying shamelessly.
चंदन, आई वॉज अ कम्युनिटी मैनेजर बिफोर प्रायर. तो मैं ऑडियंस मैनेज कर रहा था उसमें, इवेंट्स एंड ऑल द स्टफ्स.
हाँ.
एक बार क्या हुआ, एक ब्रांड आया.
हाँ.
तो वो ब्रांड लाइक दे वर बिगर फ्रॉम मी, मेरी कम्युनिटी से. दे हैड फंड्स, अच्छे उनके पास ऑप्शंस थे, सब थे. तो द थिंग विच दे हैड स्टार्टेड ऑफरिंग ना मेरी कम्युनिटी को, दे वर लाइक बहुत अच्छी चीज थी जो मैं उनको ऑफर कर रहा था. ठीक है, आई गॉट नर्वस कि यार दिस गाय हैज द थिंग जो मतलब मैंने नहीं सोची थी, एंड दे आर ऑफरिंग सच अ ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट टू माय कम्युनिटी. एंड अगर मैं कम्युनिटी में होता,
If it's your community, without permission, how can they come in?
नहीं, नॉर्मल प्रमोशन,
Okay.
नॉर्मल प्रमोशन,
मैसेज
स्पैम करना, और इट्स लाइक कि कोल्ड ईमेलिंग टू ऑल ऑफ द कॉन्टैक्ट्स.
Okay.
या सो इफ यू वर इन माई शूज, आप कम्युनिटी मैनेजर होते उस सेगमेंट में, कि क्या करते आप टू गेट अवेयर फ्रॉम दैट ब्रांड?
Bro, basically, at Blue Learn, when we were running, we still run a community. So in Blue Learn, managing community has been one of the core important reasons why Blue Learn today is Blue Learn. Something that helped with us, helped to keep us special, is how good we were able to maintain the community.
Okay.
I'm saying that definitely there is ways to make it much better, but we tried our level best to do it. And one of them is promotion. No one can promote anything. If you are building something, aa jao, and then you can tell it to them.
ठीक है.
You won't be able to get the data of, let's say, all the people's email IDs, or you won't be able to spam. You spam 3 times and you're out of the server in 3 seconds.
Okay.
We have bots ready and everything. So, वो एक चीज है. That's brutal way. But the second thing is, just talk to the company. Just be like, bro, you know what? This doesn't look right to me, and this doesn't fall under my guidelines. Bro, half the times, half the pains, problems, and all of that, if you're able to communicate with the person who's causing it, हो जाएगा. 90%.
चैलेंजेस क्या क्या आते हैं एज अ कम्युनिटी मैनेजर में? If everything is sorted as you
रात को 2
mentioned.
बजे you'll see something or the other happening wrong.
Okay.
People might be, let's say, someone would have offended someone. Let's say you intend to build a community for XYZ, and then कुछ और ही चलता रहेगा. So how do you keep them engaged? How do you keep, bro, it's at the end of the day, new people will keep coming, old people will keep engaging, and people who are not relevant anymore, they leave.
Okay.
This keeps on happening. But how do you make sure that more and more people are interested, active? So that's the game.
Okay. Chandan, you have your own podcast like
Yeah, yeah.
High on Tranquility.
Correct.
So when I had a look over this, I find like the name is very complex. आपका objective क्या था इसका name रखने में?
Okay, so High on Tranquility. नहीं, सही में कॉम्प्लेक्स था यार. मैं मानता हूँ. पर see, I started this in the second year of college. इसका गोल ये है कि to position a product, to make branding in such a way that people remember it. I wanted to create मेरे को oxymoron बनाना बहुत अच्छा है. For example,
Oxymoron क्या होता है?
oxymoron क्या होता है कि for example, you can't be happy and sad at the same time.
Okay.
You can't be, let's say, sweet and bitter at the same time. So similarly, it's like two things that can't go together can go together. So college के second year पे I come from this college called Christ in Bangalore. So उधर there's a lot of partying culture. And then I wouldn't say people get high. There's nothing like that. And there's something called when you love something very much, you get high on it.
ठीक है.
And then you love something so much that you find peace in it.
ठीक है.
And finding peace is basically serene. Serene is tranquility. So it's like you go by your curiosity, whatever you feel happy and comfortable about. And once you feel comfortable, you feel peace. So this podcast is to bring stories of people who in their journey were on the rush to find out the next big thing, try out something new, and then were able to try to find something, and they were peace.
So what's the different कि जो आप कर रहे हो as
Oh.
in case of other podcasters?
So I believe in building IPs. I believe in if you see any segment of the podcast, the way the conversation has been there. It's not a Q&A. It's not like one person asks the questions and the other person answers. These are conversations that go on without any intention. These are conversations that go on without any goal.
Without any preparation?
Mostly, yeah. Most of them.
So we can call them as a discussion.
Discussions ही तो होना ही है. Because
है.
podcasts at the end of the day, they have to be discussions. So, yeah, that was the thing.
Okay.
And this ambiguousness कि उसको पता नहीं कि मैं उसको क्या पूछने वाला हूँ, and I don't know what is going to come out. So stuff like that is going to happen.
Okay.
That's it. And everything unfiltered.
Okay. And why they are available only on Apple Music and Spotify?
So I started it as an audio platform, audio podcast ही किया था मैंने. So and then I thought YouTube पे back 2020 में, it's been like what 3.5 years since I started. So 2020 में when I started, I wanted to keep it in one platform. Let's say is the experience.
ठीक है.
So we started with Spotify, and then उधर हमने सोचा था कि let's go very deep, let's go very well, and then make it the best podcast possible. Within like close to 8 months, we were able to touch 40 countries.
ठीक है.
And then the next thought was, अरे इंग्लिश में तो कुछ तो कर सकते थे. I mean कर रहे थे, पर बहुत सारे पॉडकास्ट है, कंपटीशन तो बहुत ज्यादा ही है. तो what else can we try? That's exactly when we went for the regional market. I come from this. I speak Telugu, so we started like 6 different podcasts. We were able to gain more than more than 1 lakh listeners on Spotify. Imagine someone from the regional game listening to Spotify are people who have capital. So that was a domain, that was a market that we later got into.
Okay, in comparison to YouTube,
Yeah.
कितने लोग डेली बेसिस पर Spotify और Apple Music सुनते हैं और YouTube के पॉडकास्ट सुनते हैं? You might have estimation अगर
Bro,
आपने
today-
उसको स्टार्ट करा होगा तो.
See, today podcasts are being consumed on YouTube more than any other platform. But audio-based things, when we started, it used to be like what? Close to when we started, it used to be like 7 to 15 million people listening on a monthly active users on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts.
2020.
Listeners. Yeah, 2020. And now I think it just at least yeah, I don't know, bro. I don't know the exact numbers.
Okay, you don't know the exact numbers.
Exact numbers,
Okay. So in
At
terms
least 4x.
Okay, in terms of YouTube, we can have like TRS figuring out and right now what the fuck is going on.
Okay.
So in terms of this Apple Music or Spotify, who are the big players?
It's exactly the same people.
Okay.
It's exactly the same people.
ठीक है.
There's no difference.
ठीक है.
So Spotify has their sector called the Spotify Originals,
हाँ जी.
where they try promoting their products because they know that they have done a great podcast and they wanna put it out there. So that's exactly when Spotify tries to push their own stuff, but at the same time, people like consuming, let's say Nikhil Kamath ka WTF, just like how they do it on YouTube. For people who don't have YouTube Premium,
ठीक
that's most of the people, they consume it on Spotify because the screen doesn't need to be turned on.
Yeah.
And most of the podcasts, they don't watch, they
But
listen.
निखिल कामत तो शायद एड्स वगैरह नहीं चलाते.
They don't run ads. That's exactly what I'm saying.
Okay, तो फिर अगर प्रीमियम मेरे पे हुआ नहीं हुआ तो बराबर है.
What I'm saying is, YouTube पे, YouTube Premium कैसे काम करता है? It'll help you turn off the screen. है ना? You can listen to it,
Okay, got
even
it.
screen turned off.
Got it.
But podcasts are something where once you love the vibe, then you want to keep listening to them. For example, दिन भर अगर घर का कुछ काम कर रहे हो तो, let's say, ऐसे थोड़ा clean कर रहे हो, wash कर रहे हो, room को proper कर रहे हो.
You can.
That's when you want to keep listening to it. YouTube पे चलता रहेगा, but few people when they go for a run, when they're in the gym, they would like to listen with the screen turned off, which is majority of the market.
Yeah.
That's exactly where people who consume stuff on Spotify, that's it.
Okay.
And at the end of the day, it's behaviors, bro. There's no thing. For example, you would like to consume music on, let's say, Spotify, or someone else might be interested in listening to music on Apple Podcasts,
ठीक है.
Wink Pay. So it's behaviors. At the end of the day, whatever they are comfortable with, that's it. That
Chandan,
was it.
I have like several connections in Delhi.
Okay.
जिससे भी मैंने आपके बारे में पूछा तो they were like कि that guy is different.
Okay.
तो मतलब व्हाट्स द वन थिंग जो आपको स्टैंड आउट करती है? क्यों मुझसे लोग ऐसे कहते हैं कि चंदन थोड़ा अलग है?
I don't know, bro. I mean, ये अलग कौन से अलग के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं?
आप बताओ.
अरे मुझे नहीं पता है. I mean, I don't know who you're asking. नहीं, bro. I mean, go deep. What do you mean अलग है?
A guy which is not as usual, which is something unique or something अलग.
Oh, वैसे नहीं ब्रो, सही में मुझे ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं पता है.
तो just tell me कि what makes you stand out?
I think just like everyone, I haven't figured out what is gonna be the next big thing I'll be working on. But it's just that I have this one thing. Me and my friend were discussing late night, and then we came up with this thing. I truly believe this. Number of times that you fail should be more than the number of times that someone tries. So it's okay to fail. Just accept it and then move forward again and again. This is beautiful. I think it's beautiful to fail, move on. Fail, move on, fail.
तो अपकमिंग पॉडकास्टर्स है उनके लिए क्या सजेशंस है? वो कैसे अलग हो सकते हैं?
I'm a podcaster,
Yeah.
but there are bigger podcasters than me that I look up to. See, a few people might be knowing me because of my podcast. A few people might be knowing me because of, let's say, Blue Learn. A few people might be knowing me, let's say, for my venture. Let's say, dropshipping ka ho, and then, let's say, audio production ka ho, let's say, podcasting ka ho, anything and everything. So, it's just that people know me for XYZ, and when they remember कि हाँ, this is good, is when I know that this is working out. मतलब see bro, everyone tries 100 different things, correct? But you know that you tried 100 different things is when you hear out from people saying that I remember you because of this. That's when you know that हाँ, मैंने एक try किया है.
Okay.
You trying is not just putting half-assed work. You trying is just crying and dying on it. That's it.
Okay. So 1 year down to the line,
हाँ.
जैसे ब्लू लर्न चल रही थी तो क्या वो अभी भी वैसे ही चल रही है?
No. A lot of things keep changing. It's an early stage startup. A lot of things keep changing. Yeah, bro. It's completely new experiences आ जाएंगे. The way how you interact, learn, so they'll change.
I'm asking कि at 2023 जैसे वो चल रही थी,
हाँ.
क्या वो अभी भी वैसी ही चल रही है? Is there any changes like decrease या फिर वो slope up हुआ है?
So, how do I explain this? Basically, 2020 में we were doing 10 things. 2022 में we were like, from there, let's focus on 3 things and become the best at it.
What was those? What was those
Helping
4 things?
people Oh, so initially on Discord, we were doing anything and everything. There's a place for everything to happen. For example, people who want to speak English, they just talk. People who want to just learn coding, they learn coding
Several
among themselves.
channels.
And then we never sold a course.
Okay.
We never sold a course, and we don't want to sell a course. And on those lines, we were doing so many things. When I say so many things, tech, design, product marketing, people who are interested in, let's say, TV shows. Diversifying too much is okay, but it's hard to manage and hard to make it the best product. So that's when we were like, let's start an app. App pe, there'll be one focus, that is internships.
Okay.
How would people get a better opportunity / experience? So that's when part-time gigs, internships, and that was the stride. And that today, if you go put it on Play Store, which is the most, let's say, just type internships, and Bluerun is the second biggest thing after Internshala. Internshala being there in the market for more than a decade. So that's the arbitrage that we look for. We tried building one of the best hiring platforms. At the same time, people come for events, people come for building their proof of work. ये सब चीजें हैं. And now going forward, there is going to be more on the focus on, let's say, how can someone learn much better? How can we do, let's say, focused, let's say, laser focused learning? Learning again is not teaching; it's guiding.
Okay.
So let's see where it goes.
तो optimal objective क्या है? Is it learning in which way? क्या learn करवाना? Like-
we're going to be focusing on people who are interested in majorly tech and design,
Okay. और क्यों और ऐसा क्यों?
because the markets are so big
Okay.
to start with. If you look at the number of engineers that are coming out, who are, let's say, जिसको कुछ करना है, पर पता नहीं कि उन लोगों को कैसे करना है. So that's where guidance and, let's say, support
Exactly.
and mentorship is needed.
Exactly.
So that's where we want to build products. And then if you look at another market, that is design. Design is something that everyone can get into. UI, UX and product design overall is something which everyone can learn आसान से. मतलब if they've put like 4 to 6 months of heart and soul into it, they probably become very good at it. And they can get a very good job. So
Okay.
stuff like that.
Okay. अब upcoming community based platforms जो भी बन रहे हैं, क्या उनको अलग करना चाहिए जो वो stand out कर सके? Last question.
Depending upon the company. Depends upon the company. अगर वो लोग दूध बेच रहे तो let them be the best milk packet selling company in the planet. वो जो experience ऐसे होना चाहिए कि people have to literally wait for the milkman to come and deliver.
किसी wide variety में जाना चाहिए, like कि I'm a community based founder, मेरी community में हर एक type का बंदा आएगा and do this thing, या फिर specific होना चाहिए.
अरे वो बात हुई depending upon तुमको क्या build करना चाहते हो ना. For example, if you want to just build a platform with 1 million people in it, open the funnel for anyone and everyone. Let's say कुछ भी कर ले, people will come.
हाँ.
But if you just want people with, let's say, मेरे को एक community बनाना है with entrepreneurial mindset. मेरे को I want people with this much of intellectual headspace. तो कर सकते हैं. But it's just that you have to tap into the markets where there are people like that. And again, why would someone with high IQ would like to come and spend, let's say, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours a day or a week or a month in your space? Because you're able to provide them value in a way that they were not able to find normally.
Exactly.
So what is that?
Specific.
What exactly are you going to do? Is what I'm asking. Again, this is a generic answer for across the companies, but depending upon the domain, just be the goddamn best, let's say, experience provider in that market. That's it, nothing more.
Okay. Thank you so much, Chandan. We really appreciate your presence over here. Yeah.
Thank you, man. Have a good time. All right, ladies and gentlemen, मैं ट्राई किया था हिंदी में बात करना, और पिछली बार